Today I'm going to talk about how I improved my English. So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel और आज मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगी कि कैसे मैंने अपना इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव किया. In this video I'm going to share the steps I followed to improve my English and how I started speaking English with more confidence. First of all, I started with small sentences. After that, I gradually started learning a little bit of grammar. Then I thought, why don't I start talking in English? At the time, I don't have much knowledge of English and I wasn't very confident either. But one person helped me a lot. He used to talk to me in English and that really helped me a lot. Whose name Madan. Slowly I started speaking a little English, then I started practicing every day. Whenever I was cooking, I would try to speak in English. When I was washing dishes, I would practice English in my mind. Basically, whatever work I was doing, I tried to speak or think in English. And slowly I noticed that my English was improving day by day. The most important thing is that I never stopped practicing. I practiced again and again. I also started talking to my teachers in English whenever I called Ravinder sir. I tried to speak to him in English. I also talked to Dinesh sir in English, and then I used to start ChatGPT. ChatGPT helped me a lot. I used to practice speaking English with ChatGPT for around 15 to 30 minutes every day. And gradually I started realizing, wow, now I can speak English. So if you also want to learn English, you can do it. Just follow the same things that I followed. Start with simple sentences, practice every day, stay consistency, and never be afraid of making mistakes. Remember, you don't need to be perfect to English speaking. You just need to start. If I can improve my English with regular practice and consistency, you can do it too. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.